Hello, let me show you how we can go to the safe mode on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, as well as how we can exit the safe mode. So first of all, we need to go to the power menu. So press and hold the power button or side button in order to open the power menu. Then you want to press and hold your finger on the power off button. It will turn into safe mode, and you want to tap on the safe mode icon in order to restart your Galaxy A16 5G. And this time when the device turns on, it will be running in the safe mode. So let's wait for the device to turn on. You won't have to do anything. It is restarting by itself, so you don't have to turn it on manually. And there we go. Over here, of course, we have the information that we are in the safe mode. And in order to exit the safe mode, what we need to do is pretty much restart our phone. So once again, press and hold your finger on the power button in order to open the power menu. If for some reason the power button doesn't work, oh, it actually works. It's just lagging for some reason. So once again, press and hold the power button, and then we need to simply restart. There we go. And once the device restarts, you should be back in the non-safe mode, in the normal mode. Keep in mind that once the device turns on this time, it will be in the airplane mode. So remember to turn it off if needed. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!